In this video, we will learn how to configure the AI chat assistant to help answer questions that people may be asking via WhatsApp or email and these come to your AI inbox. So in order for us to set this up, we will need to go into the settings page, which is located at the bottom left-hand corner. Once in here, look for AI agents. Let's select that. Now, the key part here is to think of your AI agent as an employee. And when you hire a new employee, what you need to do is give them knowledge about your business, how your business operates, what are your pricing structures, what are frequently asked questions, basically anything that you would want the employee to know about your business. Now, this is a key part because if the employee or your AI agent doesn't know something about your business, it's not going to be able to do what you need it to do. Now, in terms of imparting that knowledge to your AI agent, the easiest way to do it is to upload the documents into the knowledge base. So when you click on AI agents, you'll see knowledge base here, and you simply need to upload documents into the knowledge base. What you will notice is that we have got libraries that are pre-configured. These are just sort of folders you can think of that help you categorize and allocate documents correctly. So we have some default libraries that we've created. So there's a sales knowledge base, billing, support, and general knowledge base. What you would do is simply select the knowledge base category and then select the file that you may have on your computer. This can be PDF, text file, HTML, whatever you have. Simply select it and then click on upload. Once it's uploaded, that information will become available to your AI agent. Now, that's as simple as it is for creating a knowledge base. Once you've done that, you can navigate through to the credits tab. Then let's click on automation. Now, this is where you would decide whether you would like your AI agent on, off, or the different settings, and we'll go through all of them now. So on the left-hand side, we've got auto reply mode. If the auto reply mode is turned to off or suggested only, that means that the AI agent will not reply to any of your messages that are coming in. If you select off, you will see that you are then able to turn on a standard auto reply that would be sent to anybody that messages you. If you toggle this on, you can simply type in a message that somebody would get when they message you. Now, in a case of you wanting to use the AI agent, you can select auto send. When you select auto send, this means that the AI agent will automatically reply on your behalf using the knowledge base and other settings that we'll go through. On the right hand side, you will see escalation settings. Now, we then have a confidence threshold, and currently this is set to 70%. You can change it to 80% if you'd like. So, what this means is that if the AI agent is not 80% sure that it can answer the question, it will not answer and it will escalate it to a human. You can then also choose the number of times you would like the AI agent to respond. So in this case, we can change it to 3. So the AI agent will only respond 3 times. Should the conversation continue after that, the agent will escalate to a human to attend. You then have the option of only running the AI agent during working hours. If you choose that and turn it on, you can then set an after hours message that will be sent to a customer or anybody messaging you out of your working hours. These working hours are defined in the settings page under your business profile. If you want the AI agent to respond 24/7, then you untoggle this and the AI agent will respond whenever a message comes through. We then have escalation settings where if an AI agent is not able to answer a question or any of the previous settings are matched, it will then escalate to whoever you have within your team. Right now, we only have one user in this system. But if you had more users, then like a manager or an owner or whoever else, they would appear here and you would be able to select that person. And then you can choose whether you would like an in app notification or an email. And that escalation will then get sent to this person via email. We then have the ability to create custom instructions for our AI agent. So these are a set of instructions that the agent will use when responding to a message. This in conjunction with the knowledge base is what it will use to answer. And this can be custom instructions like a persona. You can give your agent a name and various other instructions. If you're not familiar with the type of instructions you would like to give, you can create with AI. Basically, you can suggest a few lines here about your business. So we run a plumbing service and need an assistant to help answer. We are busy. You then click on next. You can give your agent a name. So in this case, we can say Tandi or Tandi. We want them to be warm and friendly. Let's click on next. And then we have some hard rules. Never give prices or quotes, never book appointments on behalf of staff, but maybe you want to leave that. Never discuss competitors, any other custom rules that you may want to add. And then we can click on generate. This will generate a set of custom instructions that you can use within your agent. And you can see here, it has generated these instructions. You can then choose to use it, and the instructions will be then inserted into the instructions holder. We can then save these changes. Now, once we've saved these changes, you can then move over to the simulator, where you will be able to simulate questions that customers would be asking you, and you can then see what your AI agent would respond or how they would respond. You'll see here we can choose AI agent simulator and the type of channel, which will be WhatsApp in this case. And we can then ask a question saying, do you have availability for tomorrow to fix a leaking sink, and send that through. Now, this is what the AI agent is going to use and how they will respond. Obviously, we do not have a knowledge base here, so the AI agent may not respond correctly, but as you can see, it's basically used the custom instructions and a little bit of its own initiative to send out or answer a question. But you can keep on tweaking this so that you get it right to exactly the way that you want. That's it for this video. Thank you very much.